mistake last time we came. We're going to do another one, but we're going to do a little bit of a different now. Come on, keep still. Right. Pick that colour up there. There you go. Okay. Okay, got the log burner going, got the lid off it this time. So if we get stuck, we can cook on the top there, which will be great. So I'm now going to do some battered mushrooms. Beer battered mushrooms. I'm not going to heat them, just put it on there to rest. Actually lager. Salt, pepper, paprika. Oh, it smells quite nice actually. So it smells a bit like you're making bread. Right, okay, I'm mixing this. Okay, just cut him in half. 2 seconds, put that on the floor. Right. Coat them all nicely. Never done this before. I've never even had, I don't think I've ever had beer battered mushrooms before. This will be a one-off. Right, what we'll do now, we'll go back out to the wiki, who's cooking away beautifully, and we'll dip them in the oil. Let's see what happens. Ooh, here we go. Try and get it as quick as I can. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, sorry, look at that.
I'm fine.
He's just struggling, you know. Oh, I'm going to burn him.
We've never done this before, have we?
Nope.
Not even at home.
Well, I'm struggling a bit here. Trying to get it right, isn't it?
Got quite a few in there. What next?
This is just bits. Here we go. Should we try one of them? Got some dip.
What are they?
Prawns. Yeah, battered as well. So these are our starters. These shouldn't take long. We've got loads. Oh, one more there. Woo-hoo.
They're already cooked, aren't they? Anyway?
Yeah. They won't take long. bits there, doesn't matter. So we've got a surf turf. We haven't got a clock.
Those mushrooms go clock.
What?
Chicken of the wood.
Oh yeah, could do. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so next.
Where's your fork?
A bit of that. That's in there, use my fingers. So mushroom first. The chili sauce. Oh, those mushrooms are cooked perfect. I thought they wouldn't be. Prawn will definitely be cooked. Might put them in quick, so. Mushroom again. So deep fried mushroom. Beer batter. Lager actually, lager batter. Ready? Oh, another one quickly.
Good starter, huh?
Mmm.
We're going to do the broccoli?
Mmm.
Nah.
No. You know what comes next, don't you?
Waste not, want not.
Definitely. And as well, we didn't use a lot for the batter.
Do you want to put a bit more in the batter or not?
No, it's a bit. It's all right.
Well, we're done now, aren't we?
Yeah. We're going to do a steak.
Well, apart from the onion rings.
How many onion rings? What else we going to do?
Steak. We were going to do surf and turf,
We were.
but we thought we'd have it as a starter.
Oops. Well, there you go. So 1 can lager. There's your batter for all your mushrooms, prawns. Cheers.
Cheers. Skull.
Cheers, guys. Goes.
Can't get your face in, sorry.
Ooh,
There he is. Slightly
that's
sideways.
refreshing. Nice. Ooh. Okay, just had some mushrooms. Changed a bit of a spray job on the windows. Get them a bit more camo so she blends in a bit better. They were white.
Green, isn't it?
And it did stand out like a sore thumb, didn't they? Oh.
Done a bit on the back here.
There we go.
This is the
I've done a bit of camo on the back.
The brown is just too severe.
Yeah, it seems to doesn't make it stand out. I mean, at night it's probably brilliant, but we've got a lot more to do yet with that. Great, nice piece of, we don't usually do deep steak. Give it a couple of minutes, that's all it takes. I'll just flip it over. Should be alright anyway. A bit of batter on it, but that's alright. Oh, look at that.
How long has that been?
2 minutes? 2 minutes? No, 2 minutes with that, I think. Second. I'll get some of these in. The oil's cooling down a bit now, so it needs to be a bit quicker. Onion rings.
A little bit of batter we could do though. Broccoli. We probably have enough batter by now, to be fair.
Yeah, I've had enough. This is just.
We don't usually eat it.
Yeah, I'm not keen on
Little
batter.
pancake. Put in
There we go.
maple syrup.
Well, this is where I like it. I mean, Jane, you like this, don't you?
I do like the steak rare, yes.
There we go, look at that. That's probably... Do you want to try a piece? You can go first.
Well, I've got it on the plate
Sure?
with the onions, yeah.
Well, I'm going to try that one at the end then, yeah? That one there. So it's like... crispy on the outside, as you can see. Juicy in the middle. Yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's good. Oh yeah, it's good. You get crunch. Sorry, tripod's a little bit awkward, the tripod is at the moment. I fixed it, but it doesn't matter. It's not facing the right way. And last, what you know what I'm doing, that's it. Look at that. Three. An onion ring. That's the truth with the onion rings I like, isn't it?
Well, the batter doesn't seem to stuck to them.
No.
We haven't put any egg or anything. Just one chili sauce.
I'm alright really, I'm going to see what the steak's like. Okay. Shall I? I'll try an onion ring first. Oh good, they're lovely, it tastes nice.
Is it actually cooked?
Yeah, I'd say slightly al dente. Yeah?
With some salt?
No, I think it's right, very nice actually. Try a piece of meat, this one we've already tried a piece.
We have got a knife if you want.
Right. Oh, that is so tender.
Mustard?
Mustard? No, I haven't got any. Horseradish either.
They might have some.
Right, lovely.
Done?
Well, we're done I think. If you enjoyed the vid, give us a thumbs up and a like, that'd be great. And subscribe if you haven't. If you don't want to, it's fine, that's no problem. And catch you next vid. Take care, thank you very much.